So I have all of these pictures on my desktop, right? I know that they're pictures, so I made a folder. And then I'm just going to drag all of the pictures that are related to those pictures inside of that folder. So that way I can relieve some space on my desktop. Okay. Oops. And like, I have one that I made with calligraphy. I have one that I made with some other photos. I have like, and then I have some that are hidden. But if I go down here, like I have all of these folders full of stuff. So my advice to you is make folders and then put all of the things in the folders, and that way you'll have a better organization of where they are and you know what you can do with them. So I hope that helps. If this helped you, please share this video with your friends. Follow me on social media. Like, comment, subscribe, ring the little bell, make sure it's set to all, so when I upload new content, YouTube notifies you. Have a great day. Okay, love you, bye.